How to find lost phone with Gmail account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google application. Then tap on your profile icon from your top right corner. Now go to manage your Google account. Then go to security. Scroll down and then you will find an option of find a lost device in this your devices section. Now all the devices that has this account will appear in this section. Simply tap on the device that is lost. Now simply go to next step and then it will try calling your phone, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.